Hey everyone, today we're going to draw a minion.
That's right. Which minion are we drawing?
The one with the one eye.
That's it. That's Stuart. That's our favorite minion. He's the funny, cute one. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. So, first thing we're gonna do is draw Stuart's nice big eye because he got one eye. Okay, so what we're gonna do? We're gonna start in the middle of the page, just near the top a little bit. So, watch what I do. I'm gonna draw my circle about here. We're gonna go around.
Here.
Oh, like that. Yeah, that's right. And you can take your time, just draw a nice circle. Oh, yes, Stuart's got a nice big eye. Very good, I like that one. And then we're going to draw another circle just on the outside.
It's like a drip.
It's kind of like a drip, yeah.
Not
But that's okay. We're drawing it by freehand. It's quite hard to draw a circle like that. We're going to draw another circle that goes around the outside of the first circle. And you just have to go slowly and try and make it the same distance. That's right. And go around slowly. That's it. You're doing great. All the way around. It's a bit of a tricky one, isn't it? You're doing very good. And then you join those two. Great job. Okay, so that is his glasses, his one-eyed glasses. Now we're going to draw his eye in the middle. So what we're going to do is draw another circle in the middle, and it goes something like that.
Three.
That's our third circle already. And guess what? We've got some more. So in the top corner of the inside circle, we're going to draw another one like this. And then a little one at the bottom too. That's right, another one. Good. And then, wait, one more in the middle. And then that's the one we color in. So you're going to draw one more in the middle. Perfect.
Don't forget the white spaces.
I got it. Thank you. Okay, cool. Right, you got yours. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a line from the top of the eye. So we're going to start from where the top of the eye is. We're going to go out a little bit to about here. And then we're going to draw a line down just below the eye. So it's going to go like this.
And we have the fighting gun there. Fighting gun.
No, we're not going to draw that one because that's a bit difficult. So we're going to try this one and we can add some details later. So from the top of the eye, about there, draw down till just beyond the eye a little bit, straight down, a little bit more, carry on a little bit more. There we go. And then on the other side, just right down, straight line, stop. Perfect. Okay, and I didn't even draw that one yet. You were quicker than me, so I'm going to do it too.
And then we're going to connect both of the sides, and then we're going to do the shoe, and then open, and then the strap on around, and then the hand, and then we're going to color it.
That's right. So let's join the top. Well, that's with like a semicircle that goes from the top.
Like building.
Then
put
join
in
it.
you.
Perfect. Cool.
Mine is like ice cream.
It's like an ice cream. A little bit.
Minion ice cream.
Minion ice cream. Okay, so.
Oh, yeah, minion lollipop.
Okay, we're gonna draw not Minion, Stuart's big smile now. Okay, so Stuart's big smile. We're gonna draw under the eye. So watch what I do here. It goes from here, just a small curve like that. Go a little bit more from maybe about there, and go slightly down and then back up. Perfect. And then we're gonna draw.
Do like that.
Yeah, but we're gonna draw another one, kind of like a D.
Oh yeah.
That comes back down and then up again. You can just fix that. Perfect. There we go. Now we're gonna draw just Stuart's teeth, and he's got 4 teeth. So and he's got soft round teeth. So they go like this. They go 1,
Mine is gonna be sharp.
2, 3, 4. You can draw them sharp if you want to.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, you added a few more. You can carry on. Doesn't have to be exactly the same. Wow, you got a sharp teeth. Do it. Wow. Okay, and then we can color that one in. You want to color it in?
No, I'm gonna
That's
color
gonna
that
be.
in the end. It's too long.
You want to color it in the end?
Yeah.
Okay, you can do that in the end. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly That's right, you can color it in the end.
It's fine, I can do it.
Okay. We can fast forward this coloring part.
Yeah.
So if the rest of you want to pause it, you can if we go too fast. Then you can just play the video when you're ready. So we're going to connect the other one, and when we connect it, it's also round. But I want you to just extend your line down a little bit more. Going to draw a little bit more longer. That's it.
Then we're gonna do.
That's right, but you want to leave a little bit of space here for his feet. So then we connect. There we go down.
Smaller.
Perfect. Good job. Good job. Now what we want to do is we're going to draw
Feet. Let's do its feet.
You want to do his feet? Right, we can do his feet. So what you're going to do for his feet is we're going to draw a line from the middle of this rounded line. You're going to draw a line from the middle going down.
Here.
Just a little bit. Look where I started.
Here?
Yep, from there down.
Oh yeah, I'm licking my lollipop. Lollipop. I said lollipop.
No.
Lollipop. Lollipop.
You like lollipops. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line across. This is for the top. This is for the top of his shoes. Yep, perfect. And then you draw a line.
You just died on there.
Now we're gonna draw a line that goes up like that, and then up like that, and that's for his little legs. And then you're gonna draw another line at the bottom of that, a little bit longer. Awesome. And then we're gonna join the line with the curve on either side. Perfect. Now you got his little shoes in there as well. Right, now we got to draw his clothes. He wears some overalls because he works in a factory, doesn't he? So he wears nice
crazy in the chapter.
overalls. So we're going to draw a line from just about bottom of his mouth.
Is that?
It's that one, that's right. And it goes round like that. Can you draw that line? Yeah. It's down below and then back up. Very good.
Look, it's cutting the butter.
Yep, and we're going to draw another line that follows that one underneath on the left side, then stops, and then same on the right side. That's
I like it's hugging me.
Yeah, and then we draw a line that goes up like that.
Pockets.
And two little buttons.
Oh yeah.
Two little buttons. And we're almost there with his clothes. We're going to draw a line that goes under, which his arms are going to come through. You got it? Awesome. And then he's got a little pocket, doesn't he? And we're going to draw a line like that in the middle. And then down on either side. And then another line goes down. Another line goes up. That's his cute little pocket. I don't know what he keeps in there, maybe his little tools. And now we need his arms. We're missing his arms, aren't we?
And then the hair.
And then the hair too, that's right.
And
so
then color.
we're going to draw a line like
the
this.
stripe.
Yeah, we won't forget the stripe. So we go a little curvy line. Actually, and I want you to draw another one just below that one, okay?
Oh.
Because you drew the top of his arm. I'll draw the bottom, and then the same on the other
It's
side.
the banana.
Oh yeah, because minions love bananas, don't they? So we might draw a banana at the end. Now we got it. He wears little black gloves. So yeah, and then if you draw another two lines that come in a little bit, perfect. Yep, you can do slowly. You don't have to rush though. And then we're gonna go like this. That's gonna be his thumb. Great. And then on the other side, we're going to do another one. And then another one. And another one. That connects to the other side. There you go. And then the same on the other side. So we start with his glove, crosses. You already did that part. And then we draw two lines in. And then we draw his thumb on this side. That's it. And then on this side, And we just copy the same. There we go.
Done.
And now we've got
And the banana.
but we've got to do his glasses, his little strap for his goggles. So they're going to draw a square on either side. And then the strap that goes around his head. Just like that. Awesome. And then we got his cute little hair, don't we? And let's look at the top of his hair. He combs his hair from the middle. So I'm going to draw my hair like that.
No, he does not go.
Very good. I like that you drew it in the middle. And I think that is our Stuart all done.
Yep.
Fantastic job. High five, you.
Don't forget the banana first.
You want to draw a little banana for him? All right, let's draw a little banana.
2 bananas.
2 bananas. All right, and we're going to draw a banana like this. We're going to go up. And then on the other side. And then a little. That's it. You got it.
And then let's do a banana phone.
I'm going to give him just 1 banana.
Banana phone. I'm doing a banana phone.
Oh, okay. I love your creativity.
Banana phone.
Are you ready to do some coloring?
Yeah.
Awesome stuff. Okay, we're going to fast forward through the coloring.
Yeah.
But if we go too fast, you can always pause it and then play again later when you're ready. I'm just going to add a few more details on his pocket. That's for his little stitching. And we're ready to color.
Oh yeah.
Great job. Okay. Cool. Great job, Summer. Looks like awesome minion. Do you want to say bye to everyone?
Both of us.
Yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Bye everyone.
Bye everyone.